Small and medium enterprises play a significant role in driving the country's growth by contributing about 45% of India's industrial output and employing about 600 lakh people. Add to that the growth rate of 8% per annum, and we have numbers that look great on paper. But the ground reality is that most of the core issues related to SMEs still remain, including funding, branding and technology. In this episode, experts, leaders, analysts and investors share the secrets to creating and running a successful enterprise. And the first secret towards this is being in a position to raise capital. But how do you raise it? Who do you turn to? And what do you do when you have it?
All of us, when we were asked earlier on, what exactly is the most important thing on our minds? What is the most important thing that we all need? And we all talked about funding, finance. Before we quickly move on, I'd like to know how many of us here, I say us because Ajay just said that I'm also an investor and also an entrepreneur myself. How many of us actually have taken funding from mortgages? Mortgaged your house. One has the courage to openly admit, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Excellent. How many of us have mortgaged our wife's jewelry? Nobody's going to admit it firmly. I know that. But I can say that I've done that when I started. And, I'm sure a lot of us might have. But then I made a promise to my wife that it'll come back to you in 4 years. And it did. At the same time, I also made lots of promises to lots of investors, which my uncle's son, my mama, a lot of people in that process. And, to some people, I kept on, repaying, and to some people, I told them, come on board, for a long-term thing. So that was the very basic element from where all of us derive basically money to actually run our business, our small or medium business. In fact, when we said small and medium business earlier on in the session, we were talking about why this forum. The forum, we wanted to change the name. We call small and medium enterprises. But I thought we were looking at the objective of actually changing the meaning of those 3 words to strong, successful, sustainable, my enterprise. That was the objective. To create strong, successful, sustainable enterprises. And that all of us are proud to have those enterprises. Business goes through all sorts of ups and downs. Unless a couple of businesses shut down or you do badly, you won't learn. So it is fine. Not doing well is also fine. Because there is always, when you have failure, only then you can get success. People who have had success earlier on, I remember a friend, and I really call him a friend, Sabir Bhatia. I met him in the US when he was about to start. I was heading Mafatlal those days, and I opened an office in New York. And he was setting up this company, which is an email company. And I told him, I've done this long back. Data Pro started the first email service in India. So why the hell are you wasting time in it? And he said, yeah, I'm trying. Don't worry. Let us see what will happen. And several years later, he was specifically focused on it. Several years later, he actually came to the point wherein he actually sold it to Microsoft, made money, and is still trying. And now he's trying. He's been successful that first time. And he's still trying to get something as big off the ground. And I'm very sure, for people who try, there's always hope.
स्टॉक मार्केट में हमेशा हम एक से कहते हैं कि स्टॉप लॉस, एक फ्रेज होता है स्टॉप लॉस करके। कोई भी ट्रेड कर रहे, मान लीजिए 100 रुपए में खरीद रहे 120 के टारगेट के हिसाब से, बट 95 रुपीज का स्टॉप लॉस लगा है। अगर 100 रुपए वाली चीज नहीं चाह रहे तो 5 रुपए के लॉस से मैक्सिमम आप निकल जाएंगे। सेम चीज एक एंटरप्रेन्योर को भी अपने लाइफ के लिए लगाना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि एंटरप्रेन्योर इस बहुत बड़ा बैटल चला रहा है। बहुत बड़े कॉम्प्लिकेटेड वेरिएबल से डील कर रहे हैं। ये एक स्टॉप लॉस लगाए जब भी एक नया वेंचर शुरू हो रहे हैं, नया बिजनेस में आ रहे हैं, 2 साल 3 साल 5 साल आपके माइंडसेट के हिसाब से एक लगाइए कि मैं इस प्रोजेक्ट में 3 साल लड़ूंगा, मैक्सिमम लड़ूंगा, 101% डेडिकेशन दिखाऊंगा, बट 3 साल से ज्यादा नहीं, क्योंकि वी हैव टू रिमेंबर कि हमारे पूरे फैमिलीज डिपेंडेंट है। नहीं तो अगर पूरे 20 साल 30 साल हो गया प्रोजेक्ट चला रहे, अभी भी आप कुछ ड्रीम्स देख रहे, कुछ होने वाला है कि देन तो हम हमारे फैमिली को रिस्क में डाल रहे हैं, इस प्रोसेस में हम हमारे फैमिली को रिस्क में डाल रहे हैं। इसलिए बिजनेस करिए, बट लेकिन इसमें एक स्टॉप लॉस लगा के करिए कि मैं यहां तक ही जाऊंगा, क्योंकि मेक नो मिस्टेक, आजकल तो कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड में सैलरीज इतने ज्यादा बढ़ गया कि नए बच्चों के जो एमबीए से आ रहे हैं उनको 25 लाख का सैलरी मिल रहा है। यहाँ पूरा साल निकालने के बाद भी इतना प्रॉफिट नहीं आती है बहुत सारे एसएमएस को। कहने की कोशिश ये है कि आजकल तो कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड में सैलरीज बहुत अच्छे बढ़ गए, खुद को एक स्टॉप लॉस लगाइए, मैं 3 साल लड़ूंगा, इसमें बन गया तो अच्छी बात है, नहीं तो कोई ईगो में मत जाइए कि एक अच्छे जॉब करना कोई ऐसा कोई क्राइम नहीं है, कोई गलत बात नहीं, क्योंकि ऐसा वाला माइंडसेट ना हो कि नहीं तो लगे रहेंगे, इससे ऐसा कोई फायदा नहीं होगा।
Coming up after the break, KV Srinivasan of Reliance Commercial Finance talks about what an investor is looking for when trying to assist SMEs. Stay tuned.